packages. Okay. There's a festival, right? So since I see a lot of Indians here, so I see, let's say, Diwali as a festival, right? Now we visit our relatives, any festival, like any function or a festival, we give some sweets, okay? We give like the gifts. Okay, let's say uh, for this Diwali festival, okay, can I take Diwali as example? Is it okay? Okay, anybody have anything against festival names or something? No, right? Okay, let's say Nilesh laughs because I don't want to be biased. Like I see a lot of Americans also in the uh, class, so they should not be feeling that I'm taking Indian example, right? Okay, now let's say Diwali. I want to give some. I'll go to my friend's house and relatives' house. I want to give the sweets and couple of assorted sweets and crackers to them as gift, right? So what will I do, right? Is my question. What will I do? Or you want to give sweets and crackers to your relatives visit. So you will go to a sweet shop and you will buy the sweets, for example, assorted sweets, different 10 kinds of sweets. And next to that, you will have a cracker shop, you will buy a couple of crackers. So how will you pack it? Is my question all right? Right. Priya says you put them in a box. Do you mix crackers and sweets in one box? Yeah, separately you will pack it, right? So group of related stuff you pack it, right? Yes, Jan says 2 packages. We will not put them, no, but not all together, separately. Yes, Soumya says it separately. Nilesh says sweet pack separately, crackers separately, 100%. So if you look at the related stuff you're packing, right? In one box, all the sweets you're packing, all the sweets. In another box, you're packing all the crackers, right? So the same concept is brought into Java. See, whatever you see in Java, it's like, everything is in the real world only because it's object-oriented programming. Right? You just have to see the real world and it is brought in here. You take interfaces, it is brought in. You take abstract, it is brought in. Right? Everything is from the outside world only and it is brought in the Java. Okay. Now, packages are a group of related classes. For example, group of related classes. Let's say I developed for a database. Okay, I developed some packages for the database. I put them all together. Now, let's say I'm developing a banking system. I'm developing a banking system, right? So in that banking system, okay, like I have a lot of groups. One is credit card department, okay, and is debit card department, okay. In then I have the bank transactions, okay, that is credit and debit. Then I have admin facilities, right? I have a lot of groups, okay. Now what I will do, even though I develop complete project, okay, I will group the related classes together, right? I will define a package called credit card, right? And I will write all the credit card operations in one package. That is, group of related classes will be defined in one package for easier access, right? Tomorrow if there is a bug in credit card, I'll just look into the package of credit card. If you look at here, see, I have created a package called Edureka here, right? Under Edureka, I have put all these things, right? There is another package. So, like, okay, no, the Edureka is a project, sorry. So, SRC package. So, default package. Now, I can specify a package, okay, where all my relevant code relies on, right? So, that is the definition of a package. Okay, now let's look at what is a package. Package is packing group of related classes. That's all. No difference, right? Why packages? Programmers can easily determine that these classes are related, right? You look at the sweets example and crackers, so they are related. Like, you open the sweet box, you will not find 2 crackers and 2 sweets in one box, right? So you find group of classes and group of crackers. Programmers know where to find files of similar types. The names conflict won't happen. You can have define the access of type of in each package. We will look at the scope definition of a package little later. Why is a package? A Java package is a mechanism for organizing Java classes into namespaces. Okay. What is organize? That's what organizing is. That is that you are placing group of related classes in a package. Programmer can use package to organize classes belonging to the same category. Classes in the same package can access each other's package access members. Package access, I will talk in a short while, right? Okay, naming convention of a package. Package names are written all in lowercase. It's not mandatory, however, it is a standard convention that is to be followed. Companies use their revised internet domain name to begin their package. For example, com.example.mypackage. It's just what company standard they will look at for a package name, my package created by a programmer at example.com. Naming convention of a package. So you just have to specify dot, like abc.xyz. Like if you can specify, you can also specify the packages like this, right? So under a project you can have src, after that my project my class. If you want to access my class.java, you have to say com.myproject.myclass. That is what is mentioned here. Like a hyphen is a special character. If the package names with digital illegal character reserved as Java, such as int. Okay, in this event, suggested convention can be used. So what you have to say org that dot name dot example dot hyphenated name. So it is like before every dot, it's a directory or a package name. Com is a directory. My project is a directory. Under com, you will have my package. Under my package project, you will have my class. That means if you want to access myclass.java, you have to access com.myproject.myclass.java. Right? This is how. Okay. Okay, let me show you one example. In the class, okay, see here you have a package, right? You specify, let's specify test package, and name is test1 or test class. So I'm defining a test class inside a package called test, right? See here, the first line you will say which package this program belongs to. If you see under SRC, test would have been created. See here, test is created. So under test, this test class is created. Okay. So I'll say welcome to Java packages. See here, welcome to Java packages. It's that you are grouping the classes and inside a package. That's what a package is for. This you package in such a way that all the group of related classes together. That is a package, right? Now, the question for you, Annie's question for you, that like what can be the advantage of having all the related classes in one package? Do I have to put all the related classes in one package? I can have all the classes in one project, right? 1,000, 10,000 files in one project. Arvind says easy to manage. Yes, Arvind, you are right. Siddhartha says browsing through code base in a case of bugs. Yes, Siddhartha, 100% right. Like, if you have like 20 bugs, 10,000 files, if you don't have a package, it will be very difficult. As I said, if it is a credit card department, if I have like, 50,000 files, I will go mad if I don't have credit card package. Jan says easy for deployment. Yes, you can, like, you can make all the group of packages and you can deploy only one package if you want, right? If the customer, if I uh, at the customer side, there is a small bug, emergency bug which needs to be fixed. I need not copy complete project, all the 50,000 files. I can send one package there and put it on there, right? Yes, Prakash says it is easy to use. Yes. Vijay says modularity, easy application design. Modularity is one of the best, example, Vijay. Basically what happens, you modularize, right? I develop software for my company, where my company has for 5-6 departments like HR, finance, admin, R&D, sales and marketing. So I I make modules. If there is an issue, I look into the HR module. If there is an issue in admin, I look into the admin package, right? Otherwise, I'll put all the 50,000, 1 lakh files in one project. I don't understand, if there is a bug, I don't understand what happens, right? Easy application design. That's what Vijay says. Yes, correct. You all said it is modularized, it is easy to handle, easy to copy from one location to another location. Okay, all the classes in the package can be loaded at one time using import. Yeah, let's look at import now. Now, let's say I have a test class. I have a test class. Okay, now test is a package. Okay, now let's look at adding a few methods. Int add, int a, comma, int b. So I have two methods in the test class under the package test. Okay, now I will define another package. Let's say under the class I will define another package. Okay, okay, under package test. Okay, so I will define the name as XYZ, right? So XYZ is the name of the class and package test is another package. Okay, so here I have package. Now what I will do, first thing what I have to do is I have to import that package. Import. Okay, so what is that? Test is the name of the package. Dot. The moment I specify dot, all the classes inside test will be displayed, right? I can specify like this. Or if I have 20 classes, I want to load all the 20 classes, I can specify star. Star means all. Otherwise, I can specify only related classes. Okay. Now, test class is this one, right? Test class is the name of the class which is available in test. Now I come here, I define an object of test class. Okay, T1 equal to new test class. Okay, now I'll copy this code, right? we should make this as public. Okay, now what I want you to do is, okay, I'll give you 2 minutes of time, right? I want you to look at this code, okay, and tell me what is happening in this, and I want you to look at this code and tell me what is happening in this program, right? Okay, in terms of package, I want you to tell me, okay? So I'll give you a minute for this. So the intention of making you read this, because I want you to familiar with a Java code. You are the people who will be writing the Java code, right? Unless until you are very familiar, very much familiar, you will not be able to write, right? Kindly participate so that you will get the maximum benefit of the class. Please look at this code, take 30 seconds of time and type in what you understood, what this class is doing, what this package is doing. Then once you are done, you tell me, move on to the next file. Yeah, now you look at this class and okay. When you read a line, you should be able to tell yourself this is what is happening. Then you know you are learning Java, right? If you look at this, like, you know, you are defining one package test. Okay, you are importing util.scanner. Then you are importing test package, and under test package you are importing test class. Okay, then you're defining a class here. Everything starts from main. So, like, you know, you should be able to tell yourself the moment you look at the line, right? And then type it for me. "45 seconds to 1 more minute. I'll give you the time so that you can type in. Okay, so many people have responded. Thank you so much for the response. Yes, you're right. So apart from whatever I've explained in the main method, like, you know, this is the package. You're having the class, then you are importing this scanner. This is import which you are doing from other package. Then this is a class, this is a main, and you're declaring an object of T1. Like, you know, I appreciate very nicely, like, you know, conveyed the message, right? So so, like, you know, your scanner class is to take the data, you're printing this message, you're taking two numbers. Here you are using the method of another package method, right? So T1 add and T1 multiply, and added result as multiplied result is you're displaying, right? Let me just run this. Okay, now two numbers, 12 and 10. 22 and multiplied value is 120. Okay, so this is how you use the packages. Okay, the classes which are defined in another package, make use of it. And then let's look at program and package. So a company URL. So you just specify, like, if you want to specify company URL code.edureka.pack1, so, like, you can specify like this also. Okay. Packages and import. A package can have many classes, and each class can have many methods, which you are very well aware of. Suresh asked a question, will test underscore class will be bundled under test package? Let's look at test underscore class will be, yeah, definitely Suresh, it will be bundled under test package only. Yes, you're correct. Right. Okay, these methods can be used by another class in another package using the keyword import. We just did that here, like, we did import in this one, right? Import. We are loading that particular class in this class. Okay, syntax is import package name dot class name. That's what we did. Import package name dot class name. Then or import your package name dot star. The moment you specify star, that means it is like, loading all the classes. This loads all the classes in the given package. We can import static members, for example, pi, cos, etc. So, like, if it is static members are defined like pi, right? So we can also import like this. Program and packages, you look at, like, this is package, that is what I have also done. This is a package code.edureka.pack1. So like class package, it is integer, it is taking two arguments, it is defining a variable and a plus b and returning c. The same thing, you are importing this package over here, import co.company. Like, edureka.pack1.class package. Class package is this class name. Right? And then you're having a main method, you are instantiating an object of a class package, and then you're calling an add method by passing the value and then result. Okay. Suresh, like, I will address your question. I got it.